Apple has just set a massive trap, and the entire PC industry is about to walk right into it. Right now, everyone looks at the Mac Mini and sees a cute, budget-friendly little box. People think it is just for college students writing essays or for light office work. They see its small size and assume it is completely harmless. But the latest leaks pouring out of the Apple supply chain tell a completely different, almost terrifying story. What Apple is about to release is essentially a Trojan horse. It looks exactly like the same friendly little desktop we have known for years. But inside, it is packing enough raw power to completely bankrupt the competition. If you thought the desktop computer was dead, you need to stop and hear this. We just got our hands on the most aggressive spec sheet Apple has ever put together for an entry-level machine. The new M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini are officially on the horizon. They're bringing upgrades so massive that they almost feel illegal. Let's break down exactly what is happening behind closed doors right now. You will quickly see why your next computer purchase just got decided for you. The biggest proof that a massive storm is coming is actually hidden right in plain sight. You can go and check this for yourself right now. If you navigate over to Apple's official online store and try to configure a high-end Mac Mini or Mac Studio, you're going to hit a massive brick wall. Apple is currently showing unprecedented 12-week shipping delays for these machines. They are literally out of stock of their own flagship computers. Now, why would a trillion-dollar company let their best computer sell out? It is because they have completely halted the old production lines. They are scrubbing the factory floors clean to make room for the upcoming M5 lineup. This is not just a random rumor from a guy on the internet. This is a massive, multi-million-dollar supply chain shift. The factories are already pumping out the new silicon day and night. And the details leaking from those factory floors confirm something absolutely huge. Apple is finally fixing their biggest, most unforgivable mistake. For the last several years, buying a base model Apple computer meant accepting a very bitter pill. You paid good money, but you had to settle for a measly 256 gigabytes of storage. It was a complete nightmare for regular users and creators alike. You download a few heavy programs, save some high-quality family videos, and suddenly your brand-new computer is begging for mercy. You get that dreaded disk space warning on your screen. To fix it, you had to buy expensive, ugly external hard drives. You had to leave them dangling off your beautiful desk forever, taking up precious ports. But we finally have solid confirmation that this nightmare is officially over. The highly trusted leaker Mark Gurman just dropped a massive bomb on X. He stated that Apple's 2026 M5 Mac Mini is locked for Q2. The base model is confirmed to have a 512 gigabytes SSD and 16 gigabytes of RAM as the minimum. This is incredible news. The experts over at Macworld in the USA have corroborated this exact shift. Macworld confirms the next Mac Studio and Mac Mini models featuring the M5 series are expected in the first half of 2026. They also reported that the base M5 chip officially delivers a 28% improvement in memory bandwidth over the previous generation. Apple has permanently raised the base storage floor to a minimum of 512 gigabytes. Your desk stays clean. Your files stay fast. You never have to look at another storage warning ever again. If you think this is all just a wild rumor, think again. Apple loves to hide their secrets in plain sight, but developers always find them. The researchers at TechSpot recently dug deep into the leaked iOS 26.3 developer code. They found direct references to unannounced Apple silicon. This discovery revealed the internal chip identifiers T6051 and T6052. These exact numbers match platform codes H17C for the M5 Max and H17D for the M5 Ultra. TechSpot confirmed that this proves the architectural roadmap for Apple's entire desktop lineup is already finalized and running in their test labs right now. But let us talk about the real engine inside this machine, because the speed is almost unbelievable. Over in China, Baidu Tech leaked the internal performance charts. They detail the M5 Pro's exact core breakdown. It features 6 super CPU cores and 12 medium CPU cores. Baidu Tech revealed that the super cores feature an impressive 4.61 GHz boost clock with a 24 megabytes memory cache. This massively improves multi-core processing without increasing peak power consumption. The famous tech leaker Ice Universe backed this up with a massive post on X. He leaked the M5 chip benchmark, stating the single core hits 4.61 GHz. He also revealed the memory bandwidth hits 153 gigabytes per second. But the craziest part of Ice Universe's leak is that there is a next-generation neural accelerator in every single GPU core. He called the AI performance absolutely insane. This means your computer will handle artificial intelligence tasks 6 times faster than before. It also fully supports third-generation ray tracing for stunning graphics. Now, you might be wondering how Apple is putting all this power into a tiny box without it melting. Normally, doing this heavy lifting on a tiny computer would cause a total disaster. The machine would overheat instantly. The cooling fans would spin up so fast, it would sound like a vacuum cleaner in your room. But Apple's engineers solved this exact problem with a brilliant hardware design. Supply chain analyst Ming Chi posted on X that the supply chain confirms M5 Pro Max production has officially initiated. He revealed they are using a new 2.5D fusion packaging that connects CPU and GPU tiles. This totally eliminates thermal throttling on the Mac Mini. The German tech publication Notebook Check did a deep dive into this. Notebook Check revealed that the Apple M5 Pro and M5 Max will utilize TSMC's SoICMH 2.5D packaging tech. This fusion architecture physically connects a CPU tile and a GPU tile with high-speed interconnects. It allows the M5 Pro to support up to 64 gigabytes of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM despite global RAM shortages. This means you get the raw, brute force power of a giant Windows tower right on your desk, but it runs silently. And what about the outside design? Amazingly, all of this next-generation power fits into the exact same ultra-compact box. The famous leaker, Shrimp Apple Pro, provided visual confirmation on X. He stated that there is no redesign and it is still a 5 by 5-inch compact chassis. However, he confirmed the hardware and ports are heavily upgraded. The base model gets Thunderbolt 4 and the Pro gets Thunderbolt 5. He ended his post saying goodbye to the 256 gigabytes era. This means Apple is sticking with the radical form factor that we all love. They are also keeping those brilliant front-facing dual USB-C ports. This means you never have to blindly reach behind a monitor again to plug in a simple flash drive. It is a massive quality-of-life improvement. The connectivity is getting a huge leap into the future as well. Mac Observer reports that the 2026 Mac Mini will completely overhaul its connections. The standard M5 model will feature Thunderbolt 4. Meanwhile, the M5 Pro configuration upgrades to the incredibly fast Thunderbolt 5. This allows for massive external display capabilities and faster data transfers. Mac Observer also confirmed these machines are fully paired with future-proof Wi-Fi 7 and flawless Bluetooth 6.0. You are getting absolutely everything you could possibly want in a modern desktop setup. There are zero compromises here. So, what is the damage to your wallet? With Apple finally giving us a proper amount of base storage, more memory, a massive graphics upgrade, and new AI capabilities, you would normally expect a huge price hike. But as Mark Gurman confirmed, the starting price is aggressively set at $699. We are expecting a huge launch window announcement around June WWDC. Honestly, the rest of the PC industry should just pack up and go home right now. Try to build a custom Windows PC for $699 that is this fast, this quiet, and this small. It is physically impossible to match this value. The parts alone would cost more, and it would still be bigger and louder. In my best opinion, this upcoming M5 Mac Mini is the most important computer Apple has released since the original M1 chip changed the world. For $699, you're getting a machine that completely removes all the old bottlenecks that held users back. The upgrade to 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM alone makes this an instant, unquestionable buy. It replaces the outdated entry tier and creates a new standard for the whole industry. It is a true flagship desktop PC killer that will last you for years without needing a single upgrade. It is practical, it is incredibly powerful, and it completely redefines what a budget desktop computer should be. Apple is not just moving the goalposts. They are playing a completely different game. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.